Live on Adom TV ena wani guso a wo hwe ene anadwi babia wo bia no mama wadwo amwa kwaba e de aba agro ne form dwumadie so wonim se edru yawada anwumre bia se ya na ayamasede se mesi nkonwa na mene mabojafo ye de dwumadie no de abrao enu nti ena anadwi babia wo bia no mama kwaba e de aba dwumadie ne so Adom TV so ena wani guso a wo hwe no sisi a ene yehwe kum bagya ewieye a kama pa Ghana nyina ani wo ho enti wo hwese de tie na yese bibia kama eda ho no na yede aba sisi de agro ne form na yede eba mede de kwadwo mensa moshosho Ghana fo kwadwo GH kwadwo mede dwumade wo chiam ye free sabre kop mi se du mienu anase non du bebo apemu enanwumre no na yede eba abahu de ekoso abusianfo nta machi na bibia aye kama ifie na aboma enyasem gitu akra emresim mema wahu sede omo taichi no omo bua amadwumadie no etimi akoyi woni bibi Ghana football ho asem ene yebeka enne woni se na no Commonwealth Games for the omo Australia omo sisi omo enti the mpaibo airtime machi ba woni se football no be 52 weeks ago and na wotwe me twa mu no na wo se nka ye hyase ne ye bo Ghana Premier League no ensensem bebre na ebetwetwetwa akwan mu nti no ama league no entimi ama so yakokot yakokot asamba ende Ghana Football Association any Accra Great Olympics asem ekopi wo court ama ho asem aba abetodwa Ghana Football Association ede krataba bonten say nyame adoma na wotwe awieye Premier League no baso into clubs no obi anhye no so has kotachiman okwakobo Ash Gold otran oboase wa All Stars ekoho wono no ekwakobo Asante Kotoko woni wafa na ebo ti matches no bibia ye set a baso anye bia sede FA4 ede krataba bonten no ebeba so anase emba so na enema ekoso no football no ebetumi afa ntuma pa afra anase entumi emfa ntuma pa emfra eno nkomo na ende anwumre yeba na yebedi ewo agro ne form dwumadie no so na sese die onipa ende mene no eba betwetwe enkomo ewo agro ne form dwumadie no so no football no odi akiri ache a anya sam keto akra se ye ka Ghana footballer in fact se me kana sam dwumadie so a neke se ono ne the only person a ene any day tosum prensa a oba dwumadie so the first person to appear on this program for the third time na there's a reason why in here and then Masato Safre Ora Kofi Manu blue wonderful akwaba mechi na bibia boko kama de
boko kama
mugusu ya football
ana se football de adwuma ye dia
adwuma mu dia no na bibia ye kama football no wo ye se adwuma na mo ye no e football adwuma na mo ye no
oh no yanko bia no line we di bia di
pepe so kama abusanfo Owura Kofi Manu blue I am a guest on Agro form ene anadwi ye twa ho abaye ba ye betwa so live on Adom TV and wani guso a wo hwe no medin de kwadwo mensa mo show Agro ne form dwumadie no na ye de ebrel ene anadwi na me guest Kofi Manu blue Kofi Manu blue aka wonderful medin de kwadwo mensa mo show wonderful bibia boko there
oh meta wachi
I think I have to begin with you me I say me no chance here Great Olympics asem no wonderful minim say what can I say actually the whole issue no from the very beginning of the case Olympics here ABC ende court first of all Olympics ntoka no mo kono ayentokwa eso mo de ko ayentokwa eso mo ko ayentokwa ese a delay Ghana Premier League na hyase ayentokwa ese Olympics ekwana
mo hwehwe ndase ma me fa kwagye so no na fa benchi a watif wahwefo ni watifo nyina
watifo
na menchi a na yi Adom bwache ma were hene e wotachima
ma were hene wotachima the friends na yi Adom bwache
yes nsoro wa na nam dinin man hu body afachem
okay
but on na ma were hene na fe menchi a mabusuafo nyina kira da so ko se ni se se be hwem
no kre
kira de hye
no kre
papa ne wo fase ne kira hene ntime kasa te se ni mfire ahimfie
no kre
mra ne be titi
mra ne de titi wo
nti no ye fie no ye kan se bia se ye de mra ne tai kire
okay
Olympics me madwiri mu de Olympics ewo buruni be kan se ni abeye no efa kwanim pa if say ye mra na ye di football no e ma ho kwane na edi nkan mra no kire se na men kan we
okay
we hear the status of the GFA article 17.1 17 clause 17.1.5 yeah was started every member of the GFA has 17.1.5 an obligation to ensure that the status, regulations, directives and decisions of FIFA, CAF, WAFU and GFA are respected by its own members and by any other person, player or official with whom it has a contract.
Okay.
Now,
your kind of such a thing.
Ese nipa biya wono ewo bibi twaka biya di ewo ayin football no ewo se be mrana ewo football no be di akire ewo se edi ye adwuma ese wo kuo no ba no ese wo hwe hu se be de mrano aye adwuma.
Okay.
Na Olympics case ni aminim ne se yamra kro ya kire se winya case ana office obi aye boni e wo kuo no ma especially say ye ball no obi use unqualified player obi antua na fine obi jesi nye sese ni ade a wo complain ema disciplinary committee now complain mas disciplinary committee di asem no won ti ase a now they call appeals committee appeals grant area even though a final you are allowed to go on the review why any we na area no na yemra krona sane kanchire say enam say yempese ye di case football case eco court ntino say we are because titino na man for the sports issues eco court nti e man International Olympic Committee eti court bi I will Lausanne Switzerland in Switzerland.
Yeah, Switzerland.
Yes. I a friend of Court of Arbitration for Sports.
Okay.
And why exhaust all the avenues in the no. So we still want to one see now call. In the case of Olympics, the FA has not allowed Olympics to exhaust these judicial processes because or the petition back be cry and reply. You reply cry up to now. They have a review crowd and they say FAO yet. Some infractions on the regulations that will be here. Into once you don't give that person that they say opportunity to exhaust them, the only place that Otimko they say Obeko court. A court no. Ashe o kentin say won marana odi ye adwuma no fa ye adwuma anya so court ni be di asem no am Olympics there be BSida about 15 years ago Mighty Jets nya case bi na em say that time na lawyer Z the late lawyer Z no this my committee chairman and nasefo e ba say em say ba ma Mighty Jets and exhaust the judicial process
make us a case
yes inti no but the court em say be lawyers na em say justice for justice no they say appeal committee chairman Justice Tanko.
Amadou Tanko.
Na em say lawyer Farouk
Seydou.
Nene be ye Mighty Jet lawyers. Nti be the court say they say if na ma be kwane amma ban go through the processes. Nti court no direct the FA.
Okay.
No ye nti no court no so did the same thing.
Okay. There what kan nyina no. There what bibisa wa kan nyina no. Say metie wi a na che say ofo say Olympics enye mfonso bia say obefa asem no a ewo Ghana Football Association corridors ni mu no na odi accord the ordinary law court because FA no ama ne kwan ama na eyes of say the entire legal process na ewo within the Ghana Football Association no.
Yes, because
as Olympics only Olympics ya adwene
o ene de Trodo Tasi because Tema Youth nya case no they went through that process beko review abehu say asem still ano bandini ye wo Ghana han beko CAS Court of Arbitration for Sports ya ni results are finally a by decision CAS directed the FA to do let here say chief executive officer of Techman City yes we are go through smart processes I feel say you're satisfied. Your case will CAS. Fire Rangers also accord similar processes. The feel say you're satisfied. They have gone to CAS. Into Olympics, you know, because they feel say because CAS will ask you, and they will not even ask you. They will go through submissions. I'll be and who say why exhaust who internal mechanism, no? Local remedies, no? Why exhaust now Babahwana. So one yeah, they will throw the case back to you. And Olympics that I know, they don't want to make that mistake.
Okay,
you know, how dear me make us say
Olympics ya adwen so omudi asem na court. Okay, I wish I hope Owura Kofi Manu blue wonderful say on the Olympics ya adwen say omudi asem no free Ghana Football Association. All the judicial bodies are wo nyina no nom de akwasem di bia esan say FA ni ama Olympics kwan ama na anye de ese wo ye entina almost support no but the key question is emra wasem ne yeka no Mr. Kofi Manu blue adenti enna a lot of clubs na say football akwakuo bebre Tema Youth ayebi and then more court Alhaji Group court 4 years ago. And your court ordinary law court. Ordinary law court. That's it. Olympics were ordinary law court.
But maybe court no more football court.
But I'm saying that it's outside our own jurisdiction. A court outside our own jurisdiction. Fire Rangers. Adentina Ghanaian clubs munijidie the judicial bodies of the FA, i.e. disciplinary committee, appeals committee, and review committee no na ye tamasema ye di free ye system no e de kwa abrochiri and I said the ordinary law court
anya say ye ni gidie ba ye di asem na obo anwo a ese okowani Ghana Mr. Alfred Woyomi and in case called well court anya say oni gidie e wo Ghana eyinmo but free say ba bia bagi aduru no ne bonjo so ye wo wiase nyina court kese a office obetima akọ enye crime na Olympics die no nia manfo ntiase ne se Olympics ball no ye protest tia team bi na oye they say no tia team no in our system no say uni obi ball na team na ye boni bi dada ultimate petition says our team no why boni bi nti efe ni hwehwem na on punish no Olympics yes ano na affect the player na player no referee odi match e 15th match 7th week match 2017 the 16-17 the
yeah
osane tworo ba say in October Olympics aye protest na wie no say well who mistake 7 months after na mistake na obe correct wie ye no na mfomso no akọ affected 2 players baako wo team A baako wo team B no Olympics e ka se saa na abadia se 7 months mama referee kwane amana besesa ne ye wo se ade ne reporter report no sesa ye no so ode nsem bebere aba enti me no so no mo be mama kwan because ye no woni obi bobo no ye protester 3 days nti 3 days na twam na se 3 days na twam na se obi so asema twam 7 months na wabesesa no ne nsesa ya na call for ti obi a ho mama kwan mama so menye either petition or protest because man hu nsem
but your petition or football ready
yes petition
ready
yes
but I'm for be say petition is not captured up. There's no provision in the constitution of the Ghana Football Association, it says somebody can make a petition. But I don't agree.
Even ordinary letter to complain.
Crampono. It's allowed.
Yes. You must ensure. How do you ensure? What do you do?
I think Rano Kutimami 1 you know,
17.1.5.
Okay. Okay. Well, the all first.
Yes. Implicit.
Okay.
Yeah. Now there are other I will be quoting.
But your specific, do you have any specific provisions in the football, not FIFA, Ghana FA, it just says somebody can make a petition. Do you have it?
Before I go to that,
okay,
let me give you these provisions.
Okay.
In our status,
sure,
Article 85, application of status. Clause 85.2, I read, should any of the provisions of this status be in conflict with articles of CAF or FIFA, then rules or articles of CAF or FIFA shall apply, unless such a conflict is specifically allowed or condoned by CAF or FIFA. 85.3. Should this status be silent on any matter that may arise?
This is the GFA one you are reading?
Yes.
Okay, me too.
The articles and rules of CAF or FIFA shall apply, and if they are silent, the executive committee shall give a ruling on such a matter, which shall be final and binding. Now, this is our own regulations. And to say, ye Nibia, a FIFA dieno, na ye diachri. Now, if you go to the FIFA disciplinary code, Article 108, Clause 2, add any person or body may report conduct that he or it considers incompatible with the regulations of FIFA to the judicial bodies. Such complaints shall be made in writing. Just okay. Writing.
Okay. Now, mami koso.
Mami we answer. March 3, match officials are obliged to expose infringement which have come to their notice.
Match officials,
Now, 108, no. You go to 146. 146, Article 3 because of time. Article 146, Clause 3. Ade, the association shall incorporate the following provisions of this code to achieve the objective of harmonizing disciplinary measures, but in doing so, they are at liberty to choose the means and wording of the provisions.
Okay.
It doesn't give you the mandate to change the concept.
Yeah, but the means and the wording can change.
Yes.
Yeah.
But the concept and the spirit.
Wedding necessary.
Yes.
Wedding necessary.
So wedding a bit more. Yeah, in the but the concept must be there.
Yeah, the concept must be there.
Now that article, but that article includes Article 108. Unfortunately for Ghana football,
wait me account 108 now I'm but briefly.
Article 108 clause 2 now there. Any person or body may report conduct that he or it considers incompatible with the regulations of FIFA to the judicial bodies. Such complaints shall be made in writing.
Okay.
We must
complain.
Yes.
So anybody can complain.
Yes. Now,
complain.
Yes. Now, 146(3) no say the association shall incorporate. So we must incorporate this in our status.
Okay, fine.
Where it is FIFA, that's why they say the means and wording. Where it is FIFA, you put GFA. Unfortunately, as at now, we have not incorporated this in our regulations. And because of that, and per Article 85 of our own status, anything that is silent in our regulations, the FIFA regulation applies.
Okay, Kofi, pause it. Now, I wish for Asama, many Kofi Menu Air can say, Accra Great Olympics for a petition. Say, player be unqualified. Time of Crown Prize Olympics crowd protest and quite a come. Kofi me correct.
No, Olympics here protest. Then referee best sign the ingredients of the protest.
After 7 months.
And it affected somebody.
Into
Olympic one, what no, people do not understand.
But after 7 months, now the end of the buy, says at the time next Olympics they protest.
Now, how can you change your report after 7 months?
And they say anything.
That is what people should ask. If you could change your report after 7 months, then a protest could be made after 7 months once the report indicts a player.
Okay, but time Olympics for a submittee, time referee Ladbridge, edit the second report in by after 7 months.
30th of October.
Or 30th of October. But Olympics FRA protest and as a petition.
Olympics then wrote to the FA.
Protest or petition?
Wait, Olympics then wrote to the FA. They are law-abiding institution. That now that you have accepted the correction of the referee
after 7 months,
and knowing very well that protests are 3 days, why don't you give us space for us to protest or petition because that correction has affected this and that?
Okay.
And it is a legitimate request.
No, a very interesting issue. Very interesting issue. Now, my person fast forward because time I Kofi. Okay, so Olympics a petition.
Yeah.
Petition no. The
FA didn't even respond.
But
you know what? When when the referee made the correction, the FA wrote to Olympics
say
that the referee has corrected its report 7 months ago. So this is the situation now. Then they attached the referee's corrected report. Then Olympics discovered that if the referee has corrected his report, then now player A and player B are affected. So they also write to the FA. Now that you have done this, give us this time to do this.
Okay. Now go. And then case na akọ court. Olympics anya ne ho ntiase ewo Ghana Football Association emra a yedi ebu football no it were free yen yemra ni mu e de akọ court me ba cho say league no ye shase kwesiada
according to
report no the FA has published on their website say omo shase abo league no. Is it a blatant disregard for rule of law? And now say you think say FA no is on the right path to begin, the 2017-2018 league, without Great Olympics, because the case has still not been resolved. And you have stated here, say, Olympics here again say, the assembly court. The CFA any assembly normally league start here. What would that mean?
It will mean, say, they have deprived Olympics their rights to be heard. Now, as we sit here, Olympics court, they were asking for injunction. They were not asking for the court to deal with the case. They were asking for injunction, mandatory injunction, for the court to ask the FA like the same High Court did about 15 years ago. Say, Mama, mighty just a pane. Now I exhaust to more processing. Mu we that's still a idea be defer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Until Olympics went on that same angle. But court no feel say taking into consideration the larger say no. And again the court said that they have brought a similar issue about 2 weeks ago. This means an injunction placing. Until he does not have the jurisdiction. So if they want her, they should go to the appeal court. As we sit here today, I have been informed as by WhatsApp and email say there is a whistleblower who wrote to FIFA based on Article 108, which says that anybody, any person or body could write. If there is any infraction that you feel that somebody has done on their regulation. So this man wrote, FIFA based on Article 108 recognized that whistleblower and wrote to him, say, because FIFA knows, say, it has directed that Article 108 should be incorporated in our regulation. So if anything at all, it should be in our regulation. So if you are writing, then if there have been infractions on the GFA regulations, you write to the GFA. So FIFA has written to the whistleblower and has asked the whistleblower, told the whistleblower, say, this is an internal matter.
Okay.
So we are referring the matter to the GFA. Now, whilst they have referred the matter to GFA, it is incumbent on the GFA to locate the whistleblower. Then go ahead. Send an address also. You write to him. Now, FIFA, why did FIFA respond to the whistleblower?
Okay.
If the matter is not important, if they are not dealing with their own rules. And FA, they didn't write to the whistleblower. And my information is that the whistleblower now writes on the 5th of March to the FA that FIFA actually on the 12th of February about my complaint to them about infractions on your own regulations. And you have not responded to me, but I am the person. And that I'm giving you up to the 9th of March. If you don't respond, then I will go to court for the court to ask you to do respect and apply your own regulations.
Okay.
The FA did not respond. So the whistleblower yesterday, from my information and what they have sent to us on WhatsApp and email, went to Tema Court to seek injunction that the FA should respond and work on the FIFA's letter that was sent to them. People sit down and ask about locus. The locus that the man had was based on Article 108, Clause 2 of the FIFA disciplinary code.
I said,
so now, you're asking whether we play on Sunday. Me, sitting here.
Are we playing on Sunday or not?
Let me tell you, me sitting here, 2005, when Nyahotamaklo case, we went and passed a vote of no confidence in Dr. Nyahotamaklo. We voted 80 to get him out. 2 abstained. And in the next 3 days, I was served with a sermon for contempt of court.
Okay.
We were 6. Myself, J.Y. Apia, Alaji Gurusa, Y. Ibrahim, Justice Ampia, and Kojo Yanka. Out of the 8 6 were cited. And you call it Nyamenchade. On the eve of Good Friday, Thursday in 2005, we almost went to prison. And me, I've stayed in a francophone country for 12 years. And you know, I dear your friend said, "Bara, any court." I don't joke with it. So if anybody wants to go and play on Sunday, with this notification, knowing very well that the injunction sermon, was served on the Deputy General Secretary of the Association.
And I will receive a sign.
Okay. It is up to the whoever, because Tama say a dos.
Okay.
Now Tama ever import here, you will now do the court or now, but we say Tiga will be over.
For Ghana in football, there are very interesting times and at this moment, because in watch him, there are people who believe say the FA ain't me and Kasayembo League on Sunday. There are other people who believe say Yembo League on Sunday and disregard the injunction now. Whistleblower no at the Akoto Ghana
that has been recognized by FIFA.
And a very dicey and interesting times ahead. Abusianfo original bensu tayachi ene anadwi se oti ba bi na ohwe me na unyanya original abensu ni bia no hu se wahwe ade abensu no ginger wom eye kama pa anadwi unya waduane bi obanku ni tilapia bi na unya original abensu ni bia kama utimi twa 3 boom 4 boom and 5 boom no abon say gbna afi ewura na ball bu say ya kama na just say wonya bi atimi edidi kama sa so na adonko bites say the Ghana ha unamba bia ayadonko na ka de adonko famiko de adonko de ubekọ kama amodu fie unya nsubi gu ho a wada na de kyen watimi asore akọ djuma so kama Agoro from djumadi ena wani gu so ahwe me ne wura kofi manu blue ena wa me de kwadwo mensa mo show koso a na hwe Adom TV ye basisi a ne atwa so live on Adom TV and when you go so I will share the bush for Agoro from Jumadi any bibia kama wonderful kofi so league ni shas here nyame ya Adom a kwasiada obi edi injunction ato so a what will be the consequence nsunsanso oba ne benya afi no mfambra nya adwuma because say irrespective of whoever or regardless of whoever out the injunction ato ade no so no say yemra say if any defy the court order not to start the league now start here but so bend the benya e Ghana football so
mo so question we dey answer the me lawyer me ya koto aba da ama ya cite me content
anka wo ko prison
nti court assembly ne kan ya na na say obi feel say obekọ akobo no anasem but let me say am for bebre mati say na blue boy na okan Olympics ho na me I was born and trained to respect laws. That is why for 8 good years under NDC my own party, when I saw say they were not using the rules and the laws and they were attacking the FA and Kwasi Nyantakyi illegally, I fought. I defended it to the hilt. I risked my political appointments. I risked my comfort and defended. So if today, if the same association I defended will want to disrespect its own law, that is why in Cameroon I was called a freedom fighter. Let me give you an example. Ordinary letter, King Faisal suffered point deduction. On the There was a decision taken by the disciplinary committee of the Ghana Football Association in 2007. The decision was dated 24th day of May 2007.
Okay.
By listening to the genesis portions by the committee. On 24th October 2006, Bofakwa wrote a letter to the GFA and copied, among others, the Chief Executive Officer of Kinfesa, reminding the GFA and Kinfesa failure to pay the aforementioned fine and urged the GFA to apply the sanctions under Article 39(1)(b) and Article 39(8) of the GFA regulations. Again, on 24th November 2006, Bofakwa wrote another letter to the GFA, reminding it of the letter dated 24/10/2006, and threatened going to court if the GFA failed to sanction Kinfesa. On the 30th of November 2006, the GFA responded to Bofakwa's letter and stated that Kinfesa had paid the fine. The committee found as a fact that Kinfesa paid the fine on 30th of October. Meanwhile, they paid on the 30th of October. Listen to what happened to Kinfesa. Because they paid late. The decision, I don't want to read everything, that in accordance with Article 39(8) of the GFA regulation, Kinfesa shall be considered as having forfeited the next league match, which was the 6-week match, Gamba All Blacks versus Kinfesa, played on 15th of October 2006.
Okay, so
because Kinfesa should have paid the money before this time.
Okay.
And they even paid on the 30th. No?
Okay, fine.
Because they played the match on the 15th of October, and somebody wrote a letter, Nana Ajayampofo, and they threatened to go to court. No? The FA referred the matter to the disciplinary committee. And the disciplinary committee heard the matter, and Kinfesa was deducted points. And the points were deducted and awarded to. Accordingly, Gamba All Blacks shall be awarded 3 points and 3 votes.
Okay, so what is the issue about that? The Nippon in low cost say because the guy who and they can assemble he didn't quite the simple.
And it was affirmed by the appeals committee.
And America say now you say the Nippon in low cost no. Say Nippon in low cost there. It means that the FA will not hear the matter.
It is not the FA to decide whether the person has no locus or not. When they will go to court and let the court understand that the person has no locus. And the court will now look at your own rule books and see whether they have locus. The person has locus. But the locus of the person, as I sit here, is premised on Article 108 of the disciplinary code of FIFA. Anybody. He didn't say any football person.
Anybody at all.
Any person or body. And then you have to media when it concerns rules. Me Moshoso, me time for ne. Naturally, who say abontini obi sisiwa. I will defend you. After that, we continue with our enmity.
Enmity now between me.
Yes. And so people should look at Kofi Manu differently. Once it concerns rules, I will not compromise on it. And I'm saying that the FA should only give Olympics an opportunity. Let them lay their cases like they gave Bofakwa. What is the difference between Bofakwa and Olympics? Are they not all members of the FA? Bofakwa, is it not ordinary letter that they wrote?
Who will say Olympics? The FA has not been fair to Olympics.
They have not been fair. They have not been fair
to Olympics.
And not that I hate anybody. Now we know the attitude platforms and the Kofi Manu is stabbing Kwesi Nyantakyi on the back. Tama. National security chasing me. Yoko time. Semi different to Kwesi Nyantakyi. Me got now GTV 1.5 hours. Where were those people? When people were sitting on radio, telling NDC electorate to say, Kofi Manu, when NDC will want to clean the FA and Kwesi Nyantakyi is stopping money, Kofi Manu is defending him, so they should vote against him. On 2 occasions, I went to, they said, your friend said, DC interview. I was first. 2 occasions. I was denied the position.
Because of Kwanyi Ntachi?
Yes. Then the same people today can have the guts to talk. When we insist that the law must be applied and enforced.
Nigga, say Kwanyi Ntachi and Kaudi DC.
Kama Diabe, Deputy Minister of Sports, Okra. So they should stop all those things that they are doing. But do they know the pains that I've gone through for 8 years under my own NDC government?
Because
I insisted that the rules must be applied. That time we were talking about FIFA. Now somebody is using FIFA. You don't want to accept it.
Because we are defending Kwanyi Ntachi.
Yes. And he knows. And they know.
So you've defended Kwanyi Ntachi for how many years now?
I say, at least under 8 years of NDC administration. When they call us to they say some people call us to they say Castle Annex. But they call Castle Annex to say what did I tell them? I told them that FIFA will not allow government interference. From there, I came to Kwesi Ntachi and told him, this is what they want to do. So be careful.
Now you're buying share.
And you're buying share, but some few people within the NDC. And from there, any move that I make, you will see Kofi Manu didn't want propose for deputy minister. Never catch and say Kofi Manu, the Ntachi, no man, disca. I lost all these opportunities.
Like I said, your defense, I would defend the question here, and I would DC every minister cry.
I mean, politics started here in there since 1973. J.H. Mensa, seditious article time. Nkama the minister retire.
Na Kofi no one yana chidi. Na one DC no.
Adia me papa wo me. Yeah me I always say you wo me to abosomfie. Enti adia friend say kwase abuo. Onipa nye bone. But who perceive who incriminating at all time. I will never accept it. And that was how my father, Kwaku Mensa, behaved. And he told me that this is what you must do if you want to live for long. They should stop all those things that they are doing.
But I request because when I'm for the total platforms, you say, and now Kofi Manu was Kwesi Ntachi at the back. Is it true, say, by the position you've taken in this Olympics matter, no, you was stabbing Ntachi in the back?
Yeah, ignorant and illiterate.
Ignorant and illiterate?
Yes. If I want, like I insisted, that the FIFA statutes and FIFA regulations must be respected by a whole government, which I stood by it for 8 good years. And today, I insist that our own regulations must be respected and enforced and applied. Then you say I have stabbed in his back. What is wrong with you?
Nasa, I'm for saying in this matter.
I will not follow you because if today there is anything that somebody wants to do against Kwesi Ntachi, which I think is not proper, I will still defend him. I am only making sure, say, the rules and regulations that we go to Congress to approve and adapt are enforced and applied. And I will do that till thy kingdom come.
Kofi, unim kofo ya adwene say Ghana football mrana nyadwuma. That's the reason why cases bebre echo outside the corridor.
That is why I am worried. Because you cannot be the same person preaching respect for rules of your association, then you sit down and allow the same association to disregard its own rules. Then you must be a madman.
Madman?
If you allow that to go, you must be a madman.
Mad?
Yes. Yen Techiman City. Ye di mrasuntino. Yes, just to judicial process ni we yepe. I still ain't satisfied. We went to CAS. No. We didn't go to court. But Olympics has not been given the opportunity to exhaust it. So they have every reason to go to the law court and ask you to respect and enforce and apply your own law.
Kofi Manu Bublu, as blunt as always, and or kind of with passion and enthusiasm, as you so unim na ubehun say the city ta machi wonderful thank you with that say me to say for obaye awusia for Agoro ne form dwumadi no na Agoro no ye de na de say awusia for Kofi Manu will be here again one of these days and a lot of issues and you can want them na Adom bitters and afi abensu original abensu na Adom bitters in there heavy brutal sana dwi wanya ba bi watwoke wanya pork bi ana wo banku ni tilapia bi wo bo pa mienu na wo gisi wanima ade chia wo sori a wo heavy pa original abensu ye nyina ye no nombi na bibia so enkoyi emfamaye omada worma na ye de Agoro ne form dwumadie no ebreo enne anadwi mede di kwadwo mensa mo shosho GH kwadwo Ghana fo nyina kwadwo abusian fo se de Kofi Manu kan ye no wonta machi Mauli and the entire crew nyina my cameraman my soundman my lightman obia my producer Sergio Manucho nyina medamase samoboa ema mode bai ma bibia so etimi ekoye yedamase Kofi Manu medase nyame adoma yesa weso na hwe Adom TV yakramo